Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add frames to your videos on CapCut PC. So we're going to want to scale it and make it smaller than the canvas, and we're just going to go to canvas and choose in a fill. Maybe this blur one could be a kind of frame, or you can use color, maybe like this. Or you can choose style. They give you a lot of options for it, as you can see. Let's try this one. Maybe that one's kind of cute. You can even add in your own background, so let's just say it's none. For instance, we want this as our frame. We're just going to add it and put this on top of that video. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!